Welcome to the SUNY Adirondack Library's tutorial on how to find articles using our search box. On the library's homepage, go to the search box, put a subject in. I'm using college students. Then right here where it says articles on the drop-down menu, just click that. Take a look at the results, probably more than we need, so let's go over here to advanced search. We can overlap different subjects here. So let's put in, how about a search term like mobile devices? So what we're doing here is overlapping college students and also mobile devices. If you think you're going to still find too much, you can add a third line right here. Now let's put in the subject sleep and go search. Let's take a look at our numbers and we'll probably come up with less. Yes, we did. Okay, so let's see if we can limit it further. Now, depending on your assignment, you might want to click peer-reviewed or scholarly journals. That will certainly find you less. Yep, it did. So as we look down through our results here, click any one that looks interesting. Here's the title. Here's where it's from. Here's your date. Here's your citation. That's handy. Here's the ability to email the link back to yourself if you'd like. Each of these are links to the full text of the article. I'll just click one of them. Here we go. So here's the full text of the article. It's typed out below. You can also download the PDF either through here or there, and there's your citation. If you have any questions, please ask a reference librarian for any help. Thanks.